In this video, I'll show you how to create a camera flash photo transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a bright flash between your clips, making the scene change feel clean, sharp, and impactful. It works great for photo montages, event videos, music videos, reels, and social media edits. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for flash. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Intensity controls how bright and strong the flash looks. Blur amount controls the softness of the flash during the transition. Glow amount adds extra glow, making the flash feel more dramatic. Dissolve time controls how fast one clip transitions into the next. Use a shorter duration for a quick, sharp camera flash. Use a slightly longer duration for a softer fading flash effect. For best results, sync the flash with the shutter sound or beat drop. And that's it. That's how you create a camera flash photo transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.